Hello, everybody.
What's up, what's up, what's up?
What's up?
Hey, hey, hey.
Yo, yo, yo.
Hey guys, how's it going?
Welcome back.
Welcome back to our makeup channel. Or, yeah, whatever channel. I hope everything's been good. October is over. Halloween is done with. Thank God. Wes and I are back together. And we're here to do another review with you guys.
Yes, we're doing another review. A lot of you guys liked the last review we did together, the Tati Beauty, because you liked there was 2 reviews, 2 thoughts.
2 reviews in one.
2 demos, 2 makeup tutorials.
2 makeup look, yeah.
So you guys got everything double right here, right now.
Right now. So
I hope
continue
you guys like
watching. So what we're reviewing today is we both received in PR this.
We both got a character. And that's what we're doing. I mean, you can already tell from the title of the video.
Yeah.
But I have Elsa.
I have Anna.
And we're going to be reviewing the Colourpop / Disney
Makeup.
Frozen makeup collection.
So you guys can buy both of the collections for $76, or you can buy it individually for $38 for the single kit, which is pretty cool. And in each kit, what do we get, Wes?
So you open it like this, like so, and each of them has a palette, a lipstick, a glitter. This is like a glitter paste, and then a lip gloss.
The palettes do come with 9 shades.
They both have a glitter, like a pressed glitter right in the middle.
They come with 3 shimmers, 4 mattes, and a semi-shimmer.
So the exact same setup as far as the mattes and shimmers and glitter. So here are the glitters. This is Elsa's.
This is Anna's, and this shade that they're calling this is Waterfall.
So Elsa's is like a blue, white, iridescent almost.
And mine is a blue and gold hue.
So
in each kit you do get a ultra gloss lip. Mine is in the shade Free Spirit.
So Elsa's it's clear, but it has a golden shimmer to it.
In each kit as well, you do get a cream lipstick.
Mine's like a purpley. How would you describe this?
Like a purple pink.
It's like a light plum, I would say. Kind of looks like plum, but a little bit lighter.
In Anna's, you do get this beautiful, warm burgundy shade, and the shade color is Going North.
Every time you keep saying Anna, I feel like you're saying honest. I don't know why I keep hearing honest.
Anyway, so that does include both of the collections. So we're going to test out, make a look.
We're going to go ahead and do a demo.
We're going to judge our eyes up.
Alright, let's go ahead and get started.
So I'm going to prime my eyes with the P. Louise base.
P. Louise.
P. Louise base, and this is in the shade Rumor 2. This will be my second time using this, and I gotta say, I think I'm in love. We just started recording, my back is killing me already.
Oh yeah, so Matt, yesterday, we were at our friend's.
Oh god.
And we were going to the garage to go grab some tacos. And
our friend has like a loft, like a tri-level.
She has like a tri-level, like a townhouse maybe. But anyways, you had to go down to go into the basement, and he fell down the stairs and fell on his back. Right.
Well, at first I fell on my hip, and then my back, and then my hip, and then like skipped down.
And then he like went down the stairs
on my butt.
Oh my gosh.
And it hurt.
Yeah,
so my hip's pretty bruised, and I'm in pain.
What am I gonna do? So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm using Elsa's, and I'm gonna go ahead with the shade right here. This shade is called Fire, oddly enough.
Girl, isn't she all about ice?
I know, that's one thing. What? So I'm just going to put that on the inner part of my crease, right at the beginning.
Alright guys, now that my eyes are prepped, I'm going to get started, and I'm going to dip into Fearless, which is this middle shade right here. And we're going to put this into the inner crease.
So next I'm going to go ahead and take this burgundy shade down here in the corner. This is called Spindle Drift. And I'm going to put it on the outer part of my crease. Yo, look how blended this is.
Okay, so this color, Fearless, is blending out. Awesome too.
Yeah, I mean, Colourpop's eyeshadows are honestly some of my favorite eyeshadows ever. They're so good, so pigmented.
They always blend out so nice, always almost true to its color.
Honestly, when people ask me for eyeshadows, I say
go to
Colourpop. Usually Colourpop or Morphe because it's affordable, it's so good, so pigmented. I love it. But this shade is definitely looks more red in the pan, but definitely comes off more purple on the eye.
It's like a cranberry.
Like this looks like a cranberry maroon, but definitely looks more
Fearless has been true to its color, I would say. Now I'm going to go ahead and dip into the shade Autumn Breeze, which is going to be this purpley shade right here. And I'm going to go ahead and put that in the rest of my crease.
Okay, so next I'm going to go ahead and take this blue eyeshadow, which is called Winter, of course, so appropriate. I'm going to go ahead and pack that on my lid. Look at that. I literally dipped it in twice. Look at that pigment. Shit. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and take the glitter that's in the center of the palette, and I'm going to go ahead and just pack it on to the blue eyelid.
Alright guys, now I'm going to dip into the shade Charade, which is this purpley brown color, and I'm going to go ahead and pack that on the outer lid in the corner.
So the glitter from this palette is on the blue, and it looks so pretty. The glitter is like it's like a white, but when the light hits it, it turns blue. Okay, for my inner corner, I'm gonna go ahead with shade Cuddle Close.
Cuddle Close.
This is it's like an iridescent.
That's a cute one.
It's like a clear, but then when the light hits it, it's pink.
So now I'm going to go ahead and dip into this gold shimmer, which is the shade Earth, which is right here. I'm going to go ahead and pack that on my lid.
I'm just going to meet up that purple with the crease and keep it nice and smoky.
And I'm keeping my Earth... Wait. Let's do it again. I'm keeping that gold shimmer and just keeping it nice and tight, girls.
Keep it tight, keep it right.
Okay, so we went ahead and packed that on, and now I'm gonna go ahead and get that loose glitter. Or no, not the loose glitter. The Glitterly Obsessed glitter gel.
I'm literally obsessed with it.
And for this, I'm going to use the same brush to pack it on.
It's like a chunky glitter paste. If you have never used this, it's so cool, so pretty.
Oh, pretty one. I'm going to go ahead and dip back into the shade Charade and blend that brown with the gold. Let's do it.
Look at my eye lift. Look at my eye lift.
Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and dip into the shade Fearless, and I'm going to put it underneath in my inner corner, and we're going to use the shade Charade on the outer part.
So I'm going to grab Colourpop's BFF Cream Gel Liner, and I'm going to go ahead and run that into my waterline, and I might top it with a white cream eyeliner. Okay, so I'm going to grab the white one from Colourpop, and I'm going to pop that just in the middle of my waterline to kind of give it like kind of like a halo effect. Right in the middle.
Okay, but I don't have any powers. Okay, that's not fair. I'm just really cute.
Bitch, I got all the powers.
I have like a really cute boyfriend.
Let it go, let it go.
Do you wanna build a snowman?
Can't hold me back anymore.
Oh God.
Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and take the chunky glitter, and I'm going to put it right in the center of the eyelid, and I'm also gonna throw it on my cheeks as like a glitter highlight.
Alright guys, now that I did smoke out the bottom, we're going to go ahead and dip into the shade Scooch In, which is the shade right here, and we're going to put that in the inner corner of my eye to give me a nice... Alright guys, so we did do the other eye, we finished up our eyes, and I gotta say that the collection, of course, Colourpop, once again killed it.
Yeah, the eyeshadows were honestly lit, all the glitters and everything you guys can see. The looks.
Just to give you guys a quick insight for my lashes, I did use Bella Cosmetics, and the lashes that I use is Majesty.
I didn't put this on my cheeks, so.
Ooh, look at that.
Look at that, you said that before I even touched it to my face.
Oh, you didn't do it? Oh, was that? Is this your highlight then?
Yeah.
But we are going to be moving into the lips, so I'm going to go ahead and grab into the big box of lippy pencils and outline my lip. And I'm going to be using the shade Love Bug.
If you guys ever put glitter on and you don't want it to be in a certain spot, if you want to remove it, you can just take a little spoolie and very, very lightly just scratch it off. I'm gonna go ahead and supply the lip that the collection came with. I hope it goes in my eyes. If not, I may remove it. By the way, this shade name is called Little Snow. What? Look, my lips look so small like this.
I'm gonna head and grab that lipstick that came in the collection. The shade is Going North again. We're going north. Holy shit. Yeah. So if you want the exact same shade as a lip liner, definitely use Love Bug in the lippy pencil collection. I'm gonna go ahead and top it with the lip gloss that came inside of the collection as well. And the shade name is Free Spirit.
This color is pretty, but it's not my favorite with this eye look. So I have a weird thing about like purpley pinks and darker shades. If I wear them, they have to be matte. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and just put translucent powder on this and kind of set it.
Well, can we just talk about this lip?
Talk about it, talk about it, talk about it. Baby.
My back is killing me. How long will it take you to set your lip, boy?
Girl.
Let's go. Set it,
really
let's go. Alright guys, so this does include the tutorial for today. Before we move on, I'm gonna set my face with Little Beauty Creations Rose Setting Spray.
I'm just gonna use Morphe. Morphe's Continuous Setting Spray. Use code WEST for 10% off.
Okay, girl. Okay, but I smell like I just put rose water on my face.
Yeah, those smell so good. Those setting sprays. So freaking good.
So freaking good. Well, I'm so excited to see Frozen 2.
Yeah, we haven't seen it yet.
Well, no one's seen it yet. The lip colors, they're not my favorite.
I mean, the lip colors are cute.
They're cute, but not for the palette. Not for the look.
I personally don't like it on me. Maybe someone else.
Yeah.
I don't know if I really like that color at all. I'm not gonna lie.
This color?
Yes.
It's not my favorite, but we worked with it. We did it. I like your color personally.
It's okay. I like it better now that it was more matte. It's a little satin.
But here I am. I'm on a bitch.
And like I need to just put wigs over us. Like right now.
So this does include the tutorial for today.
So I think this collection is so cute.
I think it is something that is worth buying for yourself, a loved one, or a holiday gift, or a kid.
The eyeshadows are really good. The glitters, everything. I love Colourpop. Colourpop really doesn't really go wrong with anything.
So that includes our tutorial once again.
And a review. I approve this. This is cute.
This is approved.
It's good for like a collector's item. A lot of people like to collect Disney stuff, especially makeup. Now you can collect Disney makeup because people do Disney makeup so often now.
Which is awesome, and continue doing it, please. I'm a Disney fan. I'm a Disney freak. I've been obsessed with Disney Plus. We haven't stopped. We've been watching. But thank you guys so much for joining us. Thank you for watching us. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch our little selves. If you guys have not yet subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. If you have not, give this a thumbs up, give it a thumbs up, and leave your comments and questions below. And until then,
hope to see you guys in the next video.
yes, and don't forget you can follow Wesley on Instagram at Wesley Benjamin Carter.
Wesley Benjamin Carter.
And you can follow myself at Matt_Lars.
Hey.
Thank you guys for joining in, and until next time.
Deuces.